We gave the ASUS ROG Strix Scar 2025 a 9.1 out of 10 overall, and that score came with one serious asterisk that every buyer needs to hear. If you have ever bought a laptop that looked incredible on paper and then let you down in daily life, stay right here, because we are about to show you exactly where this machine wins and exactly where it does not. Check the best price from the link in the description, and if honest data-driven reviews are what you want, subscribe to CineTech right now. Chart 1 covers what this machine can handle, and the numbers here are flat-out impressive. Raw gaming performance scores 9.4. The RTX 5070 running at full 140 watts with DLSS 4-frame generation delivers consistent triple-digit frame rates in the most demanding titles at 2560 by 1600. Creative workloads like video editing and three-dimensional rendering score 8.8 because the 24-core Core Ultra 9275HX handles professional applications without throttling. AI and productivity performance scores 9.0 thanks to the built-in Intel AI Boost NPU accelerating supported workflows. Everyday multitasking scores 9.1 as the 32 GB of DDR5 5600 memory manages heavy tab loads and background applications with zero hesitation. Chart 2 covers daily performance, and this is where honesty matters most. Display quality earns a 9.3. The 18-inch Mini-LED ROG Nebula HDR panel delivers 2,000+ local dimming zones, 100% DCI P3 color coverage, and Dolby Vision HDR at 240 Hz, which is genuinely reference level for a laptop screen. Thermal management scores 8.6 because the vapor chamber, tri-fan system, and Conductonaut Extreme liquid metal keeps CPU and GPU temperatures controlled even under sustained full load. Fan noise under load scores 7.2. Reviewers consistently note this machine gets loud in turbo mode, and headphones are strongly recommended during intense gaming sessions. Storage performance scores 9.0 as the 1TB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe drive delivers read speeds up to 7,000 megabytes per second. Chart 3 covers user experience, and the results are a mixed but mostly strong story. Build quality scores 8.9. The chassis uses a reinforced internal frame with an extensive screw arrangement that gives the plastic body exceptional rigidity and a premium feel. Keyboard and input score 9.1 because the per-key RGB keyboard delivers quiet, confident key travel that holds up for both gaming and long typing sessions. Port selection scores 9.2, twin Thunderbolt 5, 3 USB Type-A at 10 gigabits, a 2.5 gigabyte LAN port, and Wi-Fi 7 make this one of the best connected laptops available today. Portability scores 5.8 because at 3.3 kilograms plus a massive 380-watt power brick, this machine is a desktop replacement in every sense, and moving it daily is a genuine commitment. Chart 4 covers who this laptop is built for, and the targeting is very specific. Hardcore gamers score 9.5. This hardware tier is built for sustained maximum performance in the most graphically demanding titles with no compromise. Content creators score 8.7 because the display accuracy, CPU core count, and fast storage combine to handle 4K video editing and rendering pipelines with real efficiency. Esports players score 8.4 as the 240 Hz refresh rate and low 3-millisecond response time give a genuine competitive edge. Casual or light users score 4.5. At this size, this weight, and this power requirement, buying this machine for light daily tasks is like renting a race car to go grocery shopping. Chart 5 is the final verdict. The ASUS ROG Strix Scar 2025 scores a 9.1 out of 10 overall. This is a no-compromise desktop replacement that sets the standard for 18-inch gaming laptops in 2025. The only real damage to that score comes from battery life that reviewers measured at under 4 hours for video playback and barely 1 hour of full gaming load, meaning this machine lives plugged in. If maximum gaming power, a reference-quality mini-LED display, and bulletproof build quality are what you are after, this is one of the strongest choices money can buy right now. Check the best price from the link in the description, and if this review gave you the data you needed, hit like and subscribe to CineTech. We do this for every product, no hype, just numbers.